Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Upma is a savory, wholesome Indian breakfast that's incredibly easy to make, perfect for busy mornings. This satisfying dish is a delightful way to kickstart your day or enjoy a light meal anytime. You only need a few common ingredients, often already in your pantry, to whip up this flavorful and comforting meal. It's ready in minutes, offering a delicious and wholesome option. Before we begin cooking, let's gather our simple ingredients to make sure everything is ready. You will need just 1 cup of rava, also known as semolina, and 2 cups of water for the perfect consistency. Don't forget 1 medium onion, a few finely chopped green chilies, a small piece of grated ginger, and a sprig of fresh curry leaves for that authentic, aromatic flavor. The secret to a fluffy, non-sticky upma lies in properly roasting your semolina first. Heat a tablespoon of oil or ghee in a pan, then lightly roast the rava until it releases a fragrant aroma and turns a light golden color. Remove it and set aside. In the same pan, temper mustard seeds, curry leaves, and then sauté the chopped onions, green chilies, and ginger until translucent. Now for the crucial step, carefully adding hot water to prevent any lumps and ensure a beautifully fluffy texture. Pour in 2 cups of hot water, adding salt to taste, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, slowly stir in your roasted semolina, making sure to break up any potential clumps as you go. Keep stirring gently until it starts to thicken. To complete your upma and elevate its taste, a final touch of lemon and fresh coriander is essential. Cover the pan and let it cook on very low heat for about 5 minutes, allowing all the water to absorb and the upma to become perfectly fluffy. Gently fluff it with a fork. Garnish generously with fresh chopped coriander and a refreshing squeeze of lemon juice, then serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.